What's up everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video we'll talk about how actually you can start, when you draw some sketches, like when you want to draw or go into product designing or something. So first, on the previous one you already know you need to practice a lot of line sketching. So on this one I will, we can discuss or you can draw some basic shapes, like we need to practice some cuboids or cubes. So this will be very helpful when you're going to design any product. So the basic frame going to be a cube or cuboid. So uh, you know this is again in isometric view, so the angles you can see is on a particular specific angle. You don't need to make any random lines, so it's very easy. Only once you practice the lines, then you can start, by a rectangle. You can start from any side, either from the front, side or top. So here you can see I'm making the side here. So once I done the front part, now I can just, these angles are parallel to each other. All the lines, like the diagonal line that you see, that is parallel to the bottom one, and the vertical line is parallel to other one. So all the three lines are parallel to each other. So like this you can create different kind of shapes. So later on you can convert these shapes into any kind of product. So you can try different, you can try with different heights, different size, different width. So sometime you can, draw the same product from different angles. So you can just flip the cuboid, so you can see the other side of this, product. So this is very basic but very important, because if you don't able to draw, or if you don't know how to make isometric this boxes, then it will be slightly difficult. And this is very easy because in isometric view you don't need any perspective or anything. So it's very easy and very efficient, because you can draw anywhere in the sheet without any point or anything. So later on we will discuss about the perspective on not today's video, but on a specific the other video that I'm going to upload in future. So in that case you need separate points. So in this case you can see you can start from the top, either side or any specific side, but yeah, just you need to add thickness to this. Also you can experiment with some different shapes. So first try to create this kind of shapes. This is very important, and we need to practice more shapes. So the more your line going to be clear, and it will look much better. Like for the basic blocks, you can see, like now in this case I start with the top part, and now I'm just adding the height. And now you can see I added one more line here. So slightly you can create, maybe if you want to make a truck or something, you can create from this kind of shape. So first we try to divide the instead of making the product directly, we first create a bounding box that helps our product. We can see the product inside this, and later on you can slightly add more lines, and the more details you're going to add, the better the result will be. So this is how you can create different type of shapes. We will explore more shapes, but yeah, this is very important. So like this you need to make, either you can use uh, like pencil, pen, it's up to you, but I do prefer to use freehand sketching. If you use lines or like scales or something, so in long term, like it won't help you much. So better to use either without scale, like you can use pen or pencil, it's up to you. So see, like this you can create some different kind of shapes. And we need, just if you see the lines, all the diagonal lines are going a particular angle, so they are all parallel to each other. Wherever you make in the piece, and then in the corner, left side corner or right side corner, they are all going to be parallel. So like this, try to create different boxes just for practice. So later on, once you are able to draw perfect boxes, then we can actually fit the main product inside this. And if you want, we can also add some shading or something to look or make the product or this shapes look slightly better. So again, I'm making more shapes. So again, the shapes are simple, just parallel lines. So see, the top shape is slightly different. So you can create, you can make any kind of shape. But yeah, because this is very basic and the first sketching part, so I don't want to make very difficult shapes on this one. So do prefer to make slightly basic shape, like use particularly these two angles, one coming from the left side, means specific to the left one, and create different type of, like different size of boxes. One can be smaller, one can be larger. So okay, so like this you can add, even you can add some extra detailings, like you can create maybe one box inside this. Now it's like a different, even you can think about a product, either you can create a furniture after this. Now you can add some hatching lines. So for this one you need to think, suppose the light is coming from the right, so we can just add these lines to on the left side of every product, means every boxes. Do not add these lines all over the product. So also this part is actually inside. So that's it. Not too much difficult shapes, but yeah, very basic and very important. And later on I will explain how can you actually convert these shapes into very nice and cool product. Just using these basic shapes you can create very realistic, very interesting shapes, and also very interesting products. And we will explore more shapes lately. So uh, because this is very basic one, the first video, so about the product after the practice, line practice. Let me know, like, if there is any doubt or something. So do comment, and if you like the video, also subscribe to my channel and like this video. So thank you so much. Practice these lines and like practice these shapes. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. See you soon with a new video. Take care and goodbye.